wife to see to help me for that matter. So we haven't talked about a lot of vehicles that I own on the channel yet. This particular Volkswagen Tiguan actually came from Copart. It was a salvage title vehicle and flood. So I actually bought it for a pretty good price. And then, other than having to redo or replace the airbag control module, the shift control module, and the backup camera, that was actually it. It was fairly simple. I paid $14 for it, brand new. I mean, it was 2020. We bought it in 2021. It only had like 12,000 miles on it, and really pretty cheaply, about $1,000 in modules, had it back on the road. So for 15,000 or so, had a $30 couple $1,000 SUV running on the road.